Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So it's another community drive. I know you already seen the title. What we're doing today, we're taking a drive through the Manor Park Mews community. So stay tuned first of all while we take a drive-in tour. So this community that we'll be looking at today is completely exclusive, and I'll tell you guys why in a moment or two. So we're in the Manor Park area, and we're gonna be entering Manor Park Road. And then the community is Manor Court Mews. So this is one of the most exclusive and I would say expensive community in Jamaica, in Kingston as well. A lot of luxury homes are in this community. So first of all, we can see there are sidewalks in place. The road condition looks very nice already, and it's actually the first time I'm driving in this community as well. So just wanted to take you guys with me on this drive. This community was also suggested by one of the subscribers on the channel. You know, for some reason I didn't know about this community, but here we are today. And I guess that's why I'm the Discover Boss, you know, always showing you guys something new. So definitely stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment. And if you have watched a few videos already and haven't subscribed as yet, remember subscribing is completely free. So based on the information I got, you know, even to live in this community, you have to get approved. It's not a case to just, you know, purchase a home or rent a home. Every person that lives here is, you know, vetted. So let's take the right down here. So it's saying Manor Park Drive to the left and to the right. So it's completely exclusive, and you guys will definitely see why. So stay tuned. Stay for the drive and let me know what you think in the comment section. So we're right now at this cul-de-sac. Most of the communities, or most of the apartments are gated with security and everything. So you also have some apartments in the area as well, as you guys would have just seen. And just by looking, it seems as if, you know, a lot of diplomats and those type of persons live in these community. Seeing quite a few yellow plates, so, you know, completely exclusive. The lawns are well manicured. But let me know what you think. Just share in the comment, guys, in terms of what you think about this community. Or as usual, if you have lived here before, you know somebody that lives here, let me know as well. again, it's right outside of the Manor Park area, Manor Park Town Center. Alright, so we just took the right, so when we were coming in, so now we're taking the left just to, you know, look at both end of the street. And even the design of some of these homes, you can see that, you know, the designs are not typical, you know, Jamaican architectural design. So another cul-de-sac right here. Guys, so as you would have seen, not a very large community, but it's completely exclusive. Almost every lot is gated. Some of them do have an open concept, as you would have seen as well. There are probably 1 or 2 apartment complexes as well, and they're all completely gated. I think this community was, based on information I got, was developed by Maurice Facey from Panjam. So was developed with, you know, luxury in mind, exclusivity in mind, and that's what we're seeing right now. And as I mentioned, you know, to even live here, you really have to get vetted. You know, not anyone can just buy a home and live in the area. And I'm thinking it's based on probably even the neighbors and the persons that live here. You know, they want to ensure, you know, it's certain persons in the community. But let me know in the comments. I guess probably some of you guys may know a bit more about the community as well, which you can share in the comments. So let me know as usual. So again, it's Manor Court Mews, right outside of Manor Park. You guys would have seen when I'm entering, so it's pretty central. So now we're exiting. And even the lots are very big as well, so they have a lot of yard space. I'm sure some of these lots have pool behind them, so very good size lots. Alright guys, so that's basically it. So we're back in the Manor Park Town Center. And again guys, remember to share, like, leave your comments, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for watching, and again, really appreciate all the support.